we escaped from the escape room. We ended up doing like a bank one. It was like an old Western bank. It was like cowboys and stuff like that. In case anybody comes to St. Louis and does that escape room, we're not gonna give any more details. But this little kid, as in Orlando, kept touching everything we weren't supposed to touch.
What are you talking about?
The mannequin?
The only thing I wanted to do was warm his pockets.
I'm
in character.
I'm talking about the mannequin was shaking, and then on the back, what did it say?
Don't touch. He's no clues on him.
I'm holding the gun to the bank.
Yo, I was trying to solve something, and all of a sudden I look at him, and he's just full on like pressing the guy.
He might have had information.
He was fake. It was a mannequin. But we're back in the hotel.
Listen to me. That we went to a bank robbing escape room, and I can't be a proper bank robber. You know, blowing it. I do the guy. I got somebody.
I have to take all that out. That's violent. Yeah, without giving any clues away. That was pretty fun.
That was a lot of fun.
Orlando had too much fun.
Yeah, it reminded me. I think that's why I had so much fun in Arizona, because it was just the cowboys.
Nothing but cowboys.
So we were. It felt like we were back in Arizona. It was nice.
Yeah, all of a sudden I hear him go, "Sheriff."
Oh, and then there's a letter, and I'm reading it.
There's a letter with information on it, and he's like reading it like down by the lake, and I'm like, first of all, we need to understand you. We need the numbers. We're back at the hotel room. We're taking a little break.
And then a little break. For lunch.
It is 97 degrees right now.
Hold on, 97.
The Mets are winning 2-1.
Feels like 107 with the humidity.
It feels muggy. I feel like you
disgusting.
taste St. Louis.
Yeah.
Our hotel isn't that far from a smoke barbecue place.
Yeah, we're going to go get some barbecue.
Orlando, my mom want to try.
So we'll see you guys there.
I'm Muslim.
Huh?
What are you getting?
I'm gonna get the combo plate, 2 meats, 2 sides.
It's just so cute.
So I'm gonna get pulled pork and brisket. Yeah.
What are you getting, Ma? I'm actually gonna get the chicken biscuit.
Oh.
It's a smoked fried chicken tossed in hot sauce, served on a house.
Biscuits slathered in honey butter.
Served on a house biscuit.
Sounds
Let's
good.
see how these biscuits are in St. Louis.
Get some barbecue.
Alright, white barbecue, Texas hot, coffee barbecue, Carolina mustard, honey, and St. Louis sweetie.
Oh, honey key sauce with some heat. Like the honey badger. It's the best one so far. That's a nice little cake.
That one is. That was good.
Yeah.
That was pretty good. I'm waiting for my chicken biscuit.
The honey badger. Good barbecue. Not great. Good barbecue.
Good, not great. Something really cool that we figured out. So that's the hotel we're staying at, and the side of the building is fake.
Oh.
So that's like a picture. Like supposedly, because tomorrow is Monday, and supposedly Beyonce is gonna be here. So you see how dead it is. You see how dead it is in downtown St. Louis when you're not in the baseball village.
This is what we were talking about.
I wonder if tomorrow it's gonna be popping, only because Beyonce is gonna be here.
£7. You usually use like 8. I haven't voted in a while.
Oh. He thinks he's cool because he could curve the ball.
Cameraman taught me.
Follow us on TikTok.
I guess.
Is it a 9 or a 6?
That's a 6. Oh, come on. Final frame.
Number 10.
Let's do this. Okay. All right. Let's see what else she got.
All right, we going for another one.
Let's go. Just missed. All right, I need a strike here. Big.
Let's see, let's see, let's see. Oh my god, that's all we needed. Go to ball, go to ball, go to ball, go to ball, go to ball.
Oh!
Wait, what is this thing? Hold on, where's my phone at?
I can't drink yet. I gotta taste.
I know. But Orlando said it was 18 for a Coke, a beer, and
Sangria.
a sangria for my mom.
That's one drink back in New York.
He's so upset.
I really am. Because I'm waking up, that's why.
And it's throwing him off that my mom's a lefty, but she's also killing
We
it.
ordered a classic.
Jack in the Box.
Jack in Label.
So the person's gonna be here, so I want to meet them downstairs because I put meat in lobby, and they obviously can't come up. But I also need to buy more medicine because I need more medicine. Yeah, I got my nice pill.
Do we have ice cream?
This is the hotel we're at. This is it smells really good in this hotel. But yeah, it was the Hotel Lennox. Yeah, we're just gonna chill here because I don't know where the person's gonna be at. Did I bring the key or did you bring the key?
My wallet.
I have the key. We got it.